Hey guys, in this video I'm going to do a quick tutorial on Green Day's When I Come Around. Alright, let's get right into it. Alright, so what he's doing, he's going to the G power chord, 3rd fret on the low E, 5th fret on the D and G, palm mute the 3rd fret twice, and then strum one time. Then go to the 5th fret A string, 7th fret on the D and G. Do the same thing. Then go to the E minor chord on the 7th fret of the A, down, up, down on the lower strings, 5th, 4th, and 3rd, and then one upbeat on the higher strings. So it sounds like this. Then go to the C power chord on the 3rd fret of the A and 5th fret of the D and G. So all together. Then it goes to an A power chord, open A, 2nd fret on the D and G, and then to the C power chord. And that's for 4 beats each. Then he does a slide and goes back to the verse again. If you're enjoying this content, I'll leave another video up there you can watch next. Okay, then the guitar solo. He's playing the 3rd fret on the high E and B, and the 4th fret on the G. E string, B, G, then to the B. Then put your 3rd finger or pinky down on the 5th fret of the high E and do that same pattern. So it sounds like this. Then go back to the 3rd fret E again, to the B, to the 5th fret, and strum those 2 chords. Go back and forth. And then slide up to the 9th fret on the G and 8th fret on the B with the open E. And then to the 5th fret on the G, 5th fret on the B, and open E.